I'm gonna give you my most honest opinion on the top 3 online hustles that seems easy, but are they really that easy? Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is May, and on this channel I aim to help online entrepreneurs grow their online business and create a massive online income. So if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the little bell so that you won't miss any of my future videos. In today's video, I'm going to dissect my top 3 easy side hustles that I personally have tried, and I want to tell you my honest opinion whether are they really that easy or they are not. Upfront disclaimer, I won't be talking anything about drop servicing today because drop servicing is a full-fledged online business and it's not an online hustle. So what I'm going to share with you today are the online hustles probably for those of you who want to earn extra money. So you may want to know about how do they work and what are the results. A little disclaimer before I start sharing my take on the top 3 online side hustles that seems easy. These are purely my own opinion, so it doesn't mean that you will not succeed if you choose to carry on. I'm just sharing purely based on my own experience, and I hope you guys benefit from my sharing. The very first online side hustle that I'm going to talk about is dropshipping. Many of you know that I started off my online entrepreneurship journey using dropshipping, and I feel a bit weird to even talk to you about dropshipping right now because it seems to be a dying industry, but there are still many people ask me about dropshipping and they are still very interested in this online business model. Probably because the internet is always telling everyone that dropshipping is easy money. But today I'm going to share with you, is dropshipping really something that you should start building right now, or is it going to be a total waste of time? Do stay on to the last online side hustle because I finally tried an online side hustle that I feel that it is a better business model as compared to dropshipping, and it has the similar or even faster result compared to dropshipping. So dropshipping seems easy because you just need to set up an online store via Shopify, and then you just pick your product from the AliExpress, or they have other platforms now, and then you put it on your store and start selling, start marketing, start doing Facebook ads. It's quite a lot of work when you first start up because you need to build the store from scratch and also need to do some product research. But is it worth it as an online hustle? I feel that over my few years of experience in dropshipping, my most bad experience I had was having very high marketing costs while my profit margin is very low. So that is one thing I don't like about this side hustle. And there may be many online influencers out there that like to flex about the result of their dropshipping store, whereby they get millions of revenue. They may have millions of revenue every month, but I'm just very curious how much really is their pure profit. That is the main reason why in the first place I have pivoted from dropshipping to drop servicing, because I want to promote an online product that has high profit margin, less competition, not saturated, and it is profitable in the long run. Most importantly is I need to have an online business model or an online hustle that is sustainable in the long run. So I don't see the point of continuing doing dropshipping because of this reason. And because it is so easy to set up a e-commerce dropshipping store, many people are doing the same thing, and the chance of making dropshipping a long-term online hustle and to create a long-term online income has very low chance. When I first started dropshipping in the 2015, many of my friends jumped into this dropshipping bandwagon as well, and right now they are no longer doing it. So yeah, I'm still quite shocked to see that many internet gurus out there are still promoting dropshipping business model. My advice is, if you still prefer to sell e-commerce products and sell physical products using the dropshipping method, I feel that you still can do, but you need to look for a reputable supplier and personally look for supplies yourself instead of sourcing the supply from platforms, because those ready platforms, many people can just access their supply and anyone can open this kind of online store. Another way is to look for local suppliers, and you can set up an online store and just promote that local product. So the traditional e-commerce way of doing online business still works. It's just that I don't really feel good about dropshipping method anymore. Yes, it is an easy online side hustle, but it is not easy for you to make make money. The second online side hustle that I want to talk about is YouTube. Okay, I know that it's really conflicting because right now I am still doing YouTube. So I started YouTube since 2018 until now, and I would say that it did give me some passive income, but is it really that easy? Many YouTubers or aspiring YouTubers have the impression that as long as you upload regularly your video and you can start to monetize your channel. Unfortunately, this is not the case because the money is very little and it is not passive income at all. The meaning of passive income is you create that product probably one time or two times, and then it sells by itself. You do not need to recreate again, or you do not need to keep on creating new things. So for instance, for YouTube video, it is definitely not a passive income, even though you are receiving monthly AdSense money. But if you stop uploading, your AdSense money decline, and that is not passive at all. It will take you a lot of time every week to upload video, to edit video, to film the video. So I feel if let's say you want to look for something which is online side hustle but has a higher income, I don't really recommend YouTube. But YouTube is very good for business. If you are using YouTube in a form of your own personal branding, like what I'm doing right now, yes, it is very lucrative. It is very good to establish your online presence on YouTube and to get international clients. Why today I want to bring up YouTube as one of the online side hustle? Because when I first started YouTube, my aim or my goal was to get passive income, and I just keep on creating video, any random video or lifestyle video, and I will have brand sponsorship, I will have people paying me to make video for them. Yes, I do get all these once in a while, but is this money worth my time? The answer is no. It may seem easy to just film your daily vlogs, but is it that easy for you to really reach your audience? Sometimes you may run out of content ideas, and sometimes your video don't perform. So it is really a hit and miss game. And because YouTube algorithm always change, the same as any platform, and the chance of you getting the desired online income for your YouTube channel is really not that simple. So if you ask me whether is it worth to just create a YouTube channel and monetize it for the sake of side income and for the sake of passive income, no, it is not that worth it. There are better online side hustles out there, unless you are really focused on a niche. Even if you have some passion like cooking and you are very good at cooking, but if you do not know how to strategize your content, how to optimize your video and all those technical stuff about YouTube, unfortunately it will take a long time for you to really achieve your desired income. My ideal goal of income when I first started was to achieve a 5-figure every month on my YouTube channel. It is far from that. And especially if you have a full-time job or you have an online business that you are running, I don't think you really have a time for this passion money, like turning your YouTube into some kind of passion and then try to monetize it. It is really not that easy. Based on my experience on YouTube, it is all hard work, it is never easy money, and it is never an overnight success. On the brighter note, I want to share with you about my third online side hustle that I have tried and I'm still doing it. And yes, you have guessed it right, is TikTok. I feel that TikTok is a combination of dropshipping and YouTube. It is easier to achieve success compared to dropshipping and YouTube combined. I started TikTok for fun because I am FOMO. I see many of my friends jumping into TikTok, getting a lot of good traction, and also I see a lot of success in their business after they promote their business on TikTok. So I just tried for fun because I like to test platform out. So I've been testing Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, most of the social media platforms, and I have kind of finally found a social media platform that I can really achieve my initial goal. Because when I first started my online entrepreneurship journey, I wanted to kind of like build my online presence. I want to turn my passion into income. That is why I started on YouTube, sharing my mompreneurship journey as well as sharing my lifestyle videos. So right now I'm doing the same on my TikTok channel, building my branding and testing out the platform's monetization features. So I really feel that TikTok is a baby of YouTube and dropshipping combined. Why I say so is because TikTok is a video platform very similar to YouTube, but they focus on short form videos, which is fantastic because I do not need to make such a long video, and it is ideal for lifestyle videos. I see many success stories on TikTok whereby people just post things that they like to eat, and I am in a community of TikTok content creators, and they started off with just sharing about food. At first they don't see much results or maybe not much income earned from it, but over a short period of time they managed to achieve their income goals, which is so amazing because in this community they share how long it took them to have the income that they wanted, and most of them achieved their income before 1 year. Meaning to say that you can totally monetize TikTok, get the online income that you want, and probably quit your job as well. In other words, you can turn TikTok into your full-time online income, your full-time online business. So it's no longer an online side hustle. I know that most of us like to start an online side hustle because we are currently working full-time and we want to have like a plan B. And when you have success in your plan B, you plan to quit your job. And that's when you need to find a sustainable online business. And I feel that through my 2 years of journey on TikTok, it is really possible, and TikTok is designed for creators or online entrepreneurs who wants to monetize on this platform. And another good news is you can monetize in many different ways. I see TikTok as a very good potential, not just for your personal online side hustle to earn extra income, but also as a long-term online business, because there are so many ways for you to monetize TikTok, and also it's a very good way for you to grow your business on TikTok as well. So why I say TikTok is a combination of dropshipping and YouTube is because TikTok has TikTok Shop whereby you can promote products, you can get free products as well as promoting the products to get commission. This TikTok Shop model is an affiliate program whereby TikTok creators are able to get commission every time you promote the product on your TikTok videos. I have the impression of TikTok Shop being not very lucrative because the commission sometimes is only between 15 to 30%. If you are selling something $20, you might only get a few dollars, $2, $3. But to my surprise, most of the products are able to sell on its own. Of course, provided your video is a good one and you are able to make passive income from this video. Most of the product that I receive, I only create one video and it will keep on generating sales for me. So this is the surprising part, and I like the fact that it is really minimal effort from my side. I do not really need to pay advertisement. I do not need to pay any money. In fact, I get free products to use and I get to make a video out of this product to share with people what I think about this product. TikTok Shop system is so seamless whereby I only need to promote the video and ask people to buy from my video with a purchase button right on my video. TikTok videos serve like a mini advertisement for people to buy. And the good thing is you do not even need to wait very long to get payouts. In 1 week time, you are able to get a payout. So what I like to do is I like to accumulate 1,000 before I withdraw the money from TikTok. Some product commission that I receive is quite substantial, and most of them are even more profitable than doing dropshipping. For example, I like to sell bags on my dropshipping store last time. Each bag that I've sold, I earn about $8. But on TikTok Shop, the commission alone, I can get $10 to $20 depending on the product that I'm promoting. So that is the reason why I say that TikTok Shop is very similar to dropshipping and is way better than dropshipping. So if you guys are thinking of dropshipping, why not try out TikTok Shop instead? It is pretty easy to set up a TikTok Shop. All you need is 1,000 followers on your TikTok account and you can apply to be a TikTok Shop creator. And if your intention is to get product sponsorship as well as work with brands to get paid, then TikTok is a good place for you to replace YouTube, because nowadays brands are looking for TikTok creators to create videos for their brand. I receive a lot of brand partnership collaborations through TikTok almost every single week, and they all need TikTok creator to create videos for them. So this is another income stream from TikTok. As I own a creative agency using job servicing business model, having the connection with brands really helped me to increase my sales revenue because I'm able to provide the services to the brands that I'm working with on TikTok. So overall, TikTok TikTok has helped me in generating extra income as well as attracting new clients for my online businesses. I have a full video talking about how I generated additional $50,000 on TikTok alone. I will leave a link up here as well as down in the description box below. In summary, I feel that amongst these 3 online side hustles that I've mentioned, TikTok has a higher success rate in a shortest period of time. So if you ask me if it is worth it to start your TikTok account today for your business or for your personal side income, I would say that I strongly encourage you to do so, because I guarantee you it will help you personally as well as it will help you in your business. If you have any questions regarding TikTok or any other online businesses, please feel free to leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye!